Skid is software for special children to help them communicate. Now, since these children can have a wide variety of abilities and disabilities, we need to be able to cater to all these. The way we do this in Skid is to design the software out of a large number of tiny modules which the user can combine depending on whatever task he or she wishes to perform. Now today, what I will show you are the modules in Skid for simple editing, typing, deleting text, and scrolling text. Welcome to Skid, software for the special kid. I am going to show you how you can use this using a mouse. There are other ways of using it. You can use it with arrow keys, with a joystick, with a touch screen, etc. But this should give you an indication of what you can do with Skid as it currently stands. It's growing all the time. Skid contains a large number of modules, each of which does a tiny thing. One of these modules is Selector, which is basically a module that allows you to select a group of modules that you're going to be using together to solve a particular task. Now, for example, if we wanted to do some typing, we might select the module ABCD. Then I might want to use pictures to type with, so I select Easy Pick. I may want to delete some text, so I put in backspace for now. Okay, let me click on ABCD. First of all, let us look at the basic structure of the Skid page. On the left are buttons. This is for up and down. But you don't have to use these very often because you can often just directly click whatever you want. But when you're using up or down, then this is the button that you use to say yes, that I wish to select. So you can, we will be using this as well. But for now, supposing if I want to type an S, I just click the S. And so this is put in an S over there. What we have are choices here, typically, and up and down allows us to select between these choices and then say yes to one choice. Now, for example, here, when I am in the backspace module, saying yes will delete the S over here. What you're seeing in the choice is what the text will look like after you have done the deletion, and the part that will be deleted is shown using the strike through font. So I click, and what happens is that the S goes away. Now if I click on this again, the D will go away. Supposing I want to delete the entire word, then I pick this choice where I can see the strike through going through the entire word, and if I click here, I have deleted the entire word. Okay, now supposing I want to type using pictures. I would like to say a welcome to, supposing I want to say welcome to Shah Rukh Khan. So I can simply spell Shah Rukh's name, and when I go to my ABCD module, I have welcome to Shah Rukh Khan. Supposing I want to delete some, I can, for example, delete the Khan. And supposing I want to insert the word between to and Shah Rukh. What I will do is, let me go back to my selector. Let me select my scroll down and my scroll modules as well. I no longer need my Easy Pick module, sorry. I no longer need my easy pick module, so I get rid of it from the list on top. And I perhaps don't want my backspace module either, so it's gone as well. So now I go to my scroll down module, and now what I have here is a facility to move text between the main buffer, which at the moment contains welcome to Shahrukh, and an overflow. So here again what I have are choices that show me what will happen if I select this. So supposing if I select this choice, which is welcome to, and then two vertical lines and then Shahrukh, Shahrukh will go into the overflow. The vertical lines represent the barrier between the main text and the overflow. So I select this. So now Shahrukh has gone to the overflow. So now I can go back to my ABCD module and I click on A. So I have A back there again, and maybe I just want to click on a space as well, and then I can go back to my scroll module, because now I want to take text the other way. In scroll down, text was moved from the main buffer to the overflow, and now I want to go from the overflow to the main buffer. And here again, if I look at the second choice, I see that the Shahrukh has come before the two vertical lines, which means it becomes part of the main buffer, which is what I want. So I select that choice, and so I have my sentence, welcome to a Shahrukh. So what I have demonstrated to you is how you can type using ABCD and using pictures. I have shown you how you can scroll text up or down, how you can delete text using backspace, either a letter or a word. There are other modules in Skid that will help you type faster, to help you do picture editing, etc. Please go to the website skid.org.in to look at these modules. Do let us know what you think of them, if you have any further ideas for modules, or if you know children who could take advantage of Skid but might need slightly different modules for that. We would be happy to do those for you for free. Thank you very much.